Bonjour à tous et bienvenue. Hello everyone and welcome. We are going to start French series of DELF A1 exam and will try to cover most of the concepts. Let's begin with our first round, that is les salutations. Les salutations. Les salutations means greetings, which means greetings. Répétez. See, wherever I'll say répétez, répétez means repeat. Répétez. Les salutations. Répétez. Les salutations. Salutations. Très bien. You know what? In French, we use different expressions to greet different people. Two types of conversations are there. Formal conversations and informal conversations. And in this video, we will learn 2 points. First is, what do we say when we meet someone? And second will be, what do we say when we take leave of someone? So we will start with our first point, that is, what do we say when we meet someone? As I have told you that in French, conversations are formal and informal. Let's see how to say hello or good morning in a formal way. Bonjour. Répétez. Bonjour. 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 Hello or good morning. Bonjour is the most used greeting when we meet somebody. This is used to greet anytime when you meet someone, not only for hello and good morning. This is the only greeting that you can use anytime. French people prefer to wish it in the morning and in the afternoon. Next is bon après-midi. Répétez. Bon après-midi. Good afternoon. Bon après-midi. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. Good night. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit. Répétez. Bonne nuit. Good night. Salut. Salut. Hi. Now see, I have told you the conversations are formal and informal in French. See, if you are wishing to your elder or to your boss, that is if you are having a conversation that is formal, you will wish by bonjour, bonjour. If you are talking to your friends or to your brother and sister or younger brother and sister, you can wish salut. Salut is an informal greeting. I hope this is clear. Let's repeat. Bonjour, bonjour, bon après-midi, bon après-midi, bonsoir, bonsoir, bonne nuit, bonne nuit, salut, salut. Très bien. Next, how to say goodbye or what to say when we take leave of someone during the day or night. Répétez. Au revoir. Au revoir. Goodbye. Au revoir. This is not au revoir. Au revoir. See you soon. À bientôt. À bientôt. See you soon. See you soon. How do we say see you tomorrow in French? À demain. À demain. See you very soon. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. À tout à l'heure. This is used when you already knows that you are going to meet some person very soon. À tout à l'heure. See you later. This is used when you know that you are going to meet that person same day. À plus tard. À plus tard. See you next week. À la semaine prochaine. À la semaine prochaine. À la semaine prochaine. See you next week. Très bien. Répétez. Au revoir. À bientôt. À demain. À tout à l'heure. À plus tard. À la semaine prochaine. Très bien. Next, how do we say when we take leave of someone in evening and we want to say have a good evening? Bonne soirée. Bonne soirée. Have a nice day. Bonne journée. Bonne journée. Très bien. Let's revise all the greetings again. Bonjour. Bon après-midi. Bonsoir. Bonne nuit. Salut. Au revoir. À bientôt. À demain. À tout à l'heure. À plus tard. À la semaine prochaine. À la semaine prochaine. Bonne soirée. Bonne journée. Très bien. I hope you all will revise it at your home. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. À bientôt.